When I first came to USA, I just felt constantly drained. Initially, I felt it's maybe because of the work pressure or running behind my very active son Akash. Especially, we did not have any house help here. But then in our yearly blood checkup, it showed low hemoglobin level for me. Even for my son Akash, who was just 5 at that time. I felt something was seriously wrong. I made sure that we were always eating healthy, full of what I thought iron-rich food. Do you have similar experiences? Or are you eating all the right sources of plant-based iron food, yet your blood report is showing iron deficiency? It's incredibly frustrating. Well, there is a shocking reason why your body is not actually absorbing all those precious iron resources, and it's not what you think. In this video, I have all the solutions for you. We will reveal what goes wrong with the iron absorption and how to fix it. Share the best plant-based iron sources, and I will walk you through my full-day iron-rich vegetarian diet with the secret absorption tips that changed everything for my family. Watch the full video to know all the tips and tricks. And if you're new to this channel, have not subscribed yet, it's the perfect time to join my wellness tribe. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get healthy, delicious and easy recipes every week along with wellness tips. Alright, let's get into the core issue. You are eating iron-rich food like spinach, lentils, other green leafy vegetables, millets, but still your hemoglobin level is low. Why? Here is the shocking truth many people overlook. To truly understand this, we need to know there are mainly two types of iron in our food: heme iron and non-heme iron. Heme iron mainly comes from animal protein like poultry, meat, etc. These are very easy to absorb. And the other iron, that is non-heme, comes from plant-based sources. While it's fantastic, but its absorption can be tricky. But here is how we can turn the tide. Vitamin C is your absolute best friend. It literally transforms the plant-based non-heme iron into a form your body can absorb dramatically more effectively. This is the game changer. So pairing your iron-rich foods with something high in vitamin C is non-negotiable for increasing your hemoglobin level. And one more crucial detail: compounds called phytates found in some grains and legumes can inhibit iron absorption. But don't worry, there is an easy fix. My personal trick and an age-old wisdom is soaking and sprouting. This significantly reduces those inhibitors. Another little secret: if you have a trusty cast iron pan, cooking in it can actually add a little extra iron to your food. So now you know the secret to absorption. Let's explore where exactly you find all this amazing iron in plants. First up, the true heroes for our Indian vegetarian diet: legumes and pulses. Think all your amazing dals and chickpeas or chana, kidney beans or rajma, and all the different dals like tur dal, white chickpeas, moong or masoor dal. They are protein powerhouses and incredible iron-rich food. Next, don't underestimate the power of dark leafy greens. Spinach is well known, but also explore fenugreek or methi leaves, mustard greens, and even beetroot greens. They are packed with iron and other vitamins. Then we have our whole grains and millets. We are talking about ragi or finger millet, bajra or pearl millet, amaranth or rajgira, even brown rice, and good old whole wheat. These are not just great for fiber, many are significant iron contributor. Don't forget the tiny but mighty nuts and seeds. Sesame seeds, cashews, almonds, and pumpkin seeds are all fantastic for a quick iron boost in your snacks or as garnishes. And finally, For a sweet treat that also provides iron, look to dried fruits like raisins, dates, and apricots. Just remember to pair them with some vitamin C. Incorporating a variety of these into your daily meals will naturally support your iron levels, especially when you apply our absorption secret. Alright, let's kick off our day with an incredibly iron rich breakfast. That's a personal favorite too. Our star here, Ragi or finger millet, which is a powerhouse of iron. We are combining this with sprouted green mung lentils. Sprouting increase their iron content and make them easier to digest. This combination is a fantastic Indian vegetarian breakfast for anyone looking to increase iron naturally. After soaking and sprouting, I am going to blend them into a smooth batter. Then I'll add the ragi powder, mix it thoroughly, and then keep it for fermentation overnight. This is optional, but fermentation boosts the nutrient absorption and increase the gut-friendly bacteria in it. Now let's make the chila. Our chila is absolutely ready now. Let's serve it with our favorite green chutney. It's not only delicious but packed with vitamin C. Will increase the iron absorption from our iron-rich chila. Here comes our mid-morning superheroes, pomegranate and orange. Pomegranate contributes some iron, but both are absolutely loaded with vitamin C. This combination is perfect because the high vitamin C ensures you are absorbing all that beneficial iron. Today's lunch is a true powerhouse, a rich mixed dal with spinach, delicious okra sabji and a vibrant salad. Our star here is the mixed dal, combining whole black lentils or urad dal, red lentils or masoor dal and kidney beans or rajma. Remember to soak them overnight to enhance digestion and nutrient absorption. This trio provides an incredible amount of plant-based iron and protein. And here is a game-changing tip. We are adding fresh spinach directly to our dal. Spinach is an absolute iron powerhouse, and this small addition dramatically boosts the iron content of your entire bowl. See how these small changes can have a huge impact on your iron intake? For an extra punch of iron and a lovely nutty flavor, try sprinkling some iron-rich sesame seeds on your cooked dal right before serving. For the okra sabji, while it's a healthy fiber-rich vegetable, it also contributes some iron to your meal. And for us who love to eat our food with our hands, this kind of satisfying, nourishing plate is pure joy. Remember to squeeze that fresh lemon juice over your dal and salad right before you dig in. It's a simple step that makes all the difference. You can easily boost your iron intake and energy levels with these delicious and mindful choices. To end our day, we have an incredibly powerful and compact Indian vegetarian meal, which is a true powerhouse of iron. This is a personal favorite in my home with its diverse texture and amazing nutrients. We are having roti made with a special blend, whole wheat flour and amaranth flour. This is fantastic because Amaranth or Rajgira is one of the highest iron containing grains, making your everyday roti a true iron booster. Alongside, we are making a delicious methi or fenugreek leaves, mushroom and paneer sabji. Methi or fenugreek leaves are fantastic for plant-based iron, right up there with spinach. And mushrooms add a lovely earthy flavor, while paneer will add the additional protein and nutrients. And finally, a fresh crispy salad. This is where you can load up with more vitamin C, essential for maximizing for iron absorption from all your meal. A simple dressing of lemon juice, salt and pepper make it flavorful and all effective. This dinner is perfectly balanced to make sure you are getting ample iron for increasing your hemoglobin. See, getting enough iron on an Indian vegetarian meal is absolutely delicious, achievable, and totally empowering. It's all about making smart and mindful choices and understanding the incredible synergy of combining your food correctly to boost your hemoglobin level. Remember those key takeaways. Always pair your plant-based iron sources with vitamin C. Consider soaking and sprouting your legumes, and definitely explore various iron-rich grains like millets. Implementing these tips can truly transform your energy and your iron status. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with somebody who might be helpful from this iron-rich meal plan. And don't forget to press the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for healthy and delicious recipes every week along with wellness tips. For more personalized guidance on your unique health and wellness journey, where we can tailor specific strategies just for you, one-on-one health coaching is available. You can find all the contact details in the description box below. If you love ice cream, naan, wraps or ramen noodles, I think you'd love to see my this video on healthy swaps. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, healthy and think positive. Bye-bye.